Hi YouTube friends, this is your girl Cherie coming to you with I guess a video of my storage collection. My girl Amanda B on my Facebook group wanted to see a picture of people's I guess vanity collections, and I guess I would show mine. This is not really a vanity. I guess this is just my makeup room. Well, actually it's not my makeup room. This is actually my craft room. And what I did was I got tired of all of my stuff being upstairs in the closet because I'm truly an out of sight, out of mind person. So I was not using a lot of my stuff because I couldn't see it. So what I did was I took one of my tables, even though this table was occupied by my sewing machine, which is down here. It was occupied by my sewing machine and my my drill and stuff. So I took all that off and put my makeup. So this is what I have. And for the short amount of time that I've been wearing makeup, this is a lot, which means this is ridiculous. I also have these drawers right here full of makeup. So I guess we can get started and make this. I'm gonna try to go as fast as I can. Okay, I guess we can get started with, let's get started over here. This storage container, I actually got this from, what's the store called? Bed Bath & Beyond. It was this and this set of 3 that came together. I'm sorry y'all, but this lamp is in my way, so let me move it. They came together. Did y'all hear that? I didn't do it. I think I just broke my lamp. Oh well, it'll be alright. But I know. But anyway, so but in here, this is where I keep, let's see, I don't know why this thing is not focusing, but it's gonna drive me crazy. Okay, that'll work. This is where I keep my drugstore lipsticks. Not really all of them, just some of them. These are my CoverGirls. This is my favorite red, y'all, by Sonia Kashuk. This is the prettiest matte red yet. And some, I think these are Maybelline. And I do my brows with MAC Spike Pencil. This powder by Salon Perfect. And I've been trying to use the Anastasia brow dip brow stuff. I'm not really sold on it so far. Over here is where I keep some of my highlighters. This is my liquid highlighter by YSL, the Dare to Glow. I like it a lot. I have some lip scrubs here. Now this right here is really good. Like if you don't want to wear false lashes, but you want your own lashes to look thick, you can use that. Or if you don't want to buy that, you can use baby powder and take like a wand and dip it into baby powder, apply it to your lashes, and then put the mascara over it, and you appear to have thicker, longer lashes. Underneath here is my Z palette that I keep my blushes in. This is NARS Taj Mahal, which I broke it, but I fixed it. This is Exhibit A. This is Sin. This is Lovejoy. These are my 2. Actually, I have a 3rd MAC blush, but I didn't buy it. These are the only 2 MAC blushes that I've purchased. The only 2 in the last 2 because, in my opinion, I don't think the MAC blushes are all worth the hype. NARS blushes, they are worth the hype. However, I've been using the La Femme blushes, and they cost about $3.25 a blush, and they are just as pigmented as these NARS blushes, which are now, I want to say, $30. I didn't pay $30 for them. I think they were like $26, $28 when I bought them, but they're like $30 now. This is a Sephora blush from the Pantone collection when orange was the color of the year, and this is a blush from Fashion Fair. Underneath there, this Z palette contains some of my favorite eyeshadows. These are my Lorac eyeshadows. Well, all of them except these here. Now, these are MAC eyeshadows. The only one that I like is this color right here, which is called, I'm gonna take it out. Let's see if I can take it out. And whatever, I'm just messing it up. But this one is called Swiss Chocolate. That's the only MAC eyeshadow that I like. You see this black right here? This was a waste of my money. This is Carbon by Black. If you're watching this video, do not buy this eyeshadow. It is a waste of money. It would have you hotter than fish grease because you think it's pigmented because it's matte. No. You can buy $1 e.l.f. eyeshadow and it's going to be more pigmented than this one. And I also like Amber and Light, and I like Sketch, but the rest of them, no bueno. Anyway, so let's keep moving, because I don't know how long this thing gonna record before it cut off, because this is my first time using this camera to actually record a video. So I'm quite excited about that. See how it goes, and then I may be able to, excuse me, record future videos on this. Anyway, so I had to move some stuff around. So like I said, this container and this set came together, and they were $19.99 Bed Bath & Beyond. And you can get a coupon and you can get 20% off your first purchase. And I think sometimes when they send you mailers, they have a coupon on the back for like $5 off your purchase of $15 or more. So that's a good deal. But in this top drawer, I have like some bronzers and stuff. Now, I just got this bronzer from, let's see if I can zoom in on it right. Yeah, I just got this one from Coastal Scents. And it's called Dark. It's really, really pretty. I haven't used it yet because it came in the mystery box. And yes, I know my nails are multiple colors. Yes, I was trying to pick out a color, didn't know. So I painted them all different color, and I asked my kids and they couldn't even agree on one color. You would think out of 10 colors they can agree on one. No, they couldn't agree on not color. But anyway, this is the infamous CoverGirl Queen Bronze and the color Ebony Bronze. If you watch YouTube, you've seen that. Now, these are like my e.l.f. highlighters. Technically, they're bronzers, but on my chocolate skin, they're highlighters. They are so pretty, and they only cost $1 at your local Dollar Tree. This one is called Warm Tan. I don't know if I can zoom in on that or not. Nope, we're going to leave that zoom alone. And this one is called Sun Kissed. They're really pretty, y'all. That is a nice highlight on the cheekbone. Really nice. Now, this blush is by Lorac, and everybody that knows me know Lorac is like one of my favorite companies, if not my favorite. This one is called Rosy Glow, and this is my favorite blush. Like, I've been wearing this blush pretty much every day for the past month. It's normally, I only took it out of my makeup bag for the purpose of this video. Other than that along with Max Gold Deposit, it stays in my purse. Now, my second drawer, this drawer is just like I guess a random drawer. I have a lip gloss from Coastal Scents that also came in the mystery box. The mystery box was only $20, but I think it was a good $20. My favorite lip tar is in here, which is in the color Hoochie. And the reason why it's in here, given that it's my favorite, because as some of you know, if you follow me on Instagram or Facebook, you know that I turned part of this lip tar into a lipstick. So yes, I have a solid stick, and this is just an e.l.f. palette where I press some pigments. See if I can open it. I don't think it wants y'all to see it because whatever, I can't open it. So I know if I can't open this, I'm not gonna be able to open that. This is also a palette that I made that has pressed pigments in it. This is a Clinique chubby pencil that I really like, but I didn't have no room for it, so it went there. And in the third drawer, as you can see, these are the LA Girl Pro Concealers, HD Concealers. Highlight, you all know I like the glow. That's the liquid illuminator. Now this is the NYX pore filler, y'all. This is like one of the best things since sliced bread. I haven't tried the Maybelline Baby Skins, but this pore filler is really good. Like, it's some days where I won't even wear like a BB cream, and I'll still put this on because it goes on silky smooth, and it really does minimize your pores, and it doesn't give you like this ashy looking phlegm on your skin. Looks really pretty. And of course, Pro Concealers. What, these are like $3.99 at the beauty supply store. And this is my e.l.f. eyelid primer. These are $1 at Walmart. I like these a lot. These are not my favorite. It's not my favorite, but it's a close second. As you can see, I got two, so you know I like it if I have two. And in this last, now this bottom drawer, I bought it separately. I think it was $19. No, it was $15 by itself. And in here I have the jumbo milk pencils. I'm still trying to work the zoom thing out. And then this is by Sephora. This is like supposed to be an instant eye depuff and roll on gel. Y'all, that mess don't work. You heard it first. It don't work. Save money. These are the infamous Milani blushes. You know, the ones with the rose imprint on them. I only got 3. I didn't get the one in Tea Rose. As you know, you can probably tell by the color that this is my favorite. And this one is called Coral Cove. This is my favorite one. And they are so pretty, and they are super pigmented. Now, this, I thought this was going to be just as good as the other ones that I got. This is like the matte bronze by e.l.f. That don't work on me. So that's why that's down there. It's only there because I needed it to fill up the space. And down here I have some eyelashes, some e.l.f., some red cherries, some Kiss. Yeah.